Hi friends, my name is Abhilash and today I am going to give the dry review of Onida Lilliput 6.5 kg washing machine. In one word I can say it is a bachelor's budget washing machine. I will explain you later in this video why I said it as bachelor's budget washing machine. First let us see the specification of the washing machine. The Onida washing machine's model name is Lilliput 6.5 kg and its power supply is 220 volt AC 50 Hz. So this washing machine can be operated on normal power supply. Normal power supply like this, so we need not to have another separate plug for fridge and some other equipments. So we can normally operate this washing machine on power supply generally available in households. The 6.5 kg mentioned in the model name typically represents the maximum capacity, like maximum amount of cloths we can use for washing. But from the personal experience of mine, I recommend you to use only 5 to 6 kgs of dry cloths for maximum cleaning of the cloths. If I have more cloths, I prefer washing them in 2 to 3 schedules rather than pushing all the cloths in one time. Let us see the accessories that are provided along with this washing machine. The first one is the water inlet pipe. You can see it is enough long to connect it with a tap in our bathroom, but I recommend you to buy extra pipe like this one for if you have far suited bathrooms. Along with it we were provided two knobs. One is wash timer, the second is cycle selector. The wash timer is nothing but it is the knob which is used for setting the washing machine running time. Like if I set the wash timer at 12, it represents that you are going to run the washing machine for 12 minutes. So when you set the timer, and if you after setting timer you can just relax it, so because it is automatically going to off after 12 minutes of its operation. But from my personal experience I recommend you to use 15 minutes for better cloth washing of the cloths. The second knob here we have is cycle selector, which has three indications. One is normal, second is heavy, third is drying. The heavy is used when we need to wash the heavy things like bed sheets or pillow covers, which need to be washed heavily. In normal cloths we can set the knob to normal level. After the cleaning of cloths we want to drain the water, so we need to operate the knob to drain option, so that all the water or excess water or all the dead water which is collected under the washing machine will be drained out by this drain pipe. Let us see what's inside this. Oh, we have a washer. This washing machine is basically a semi-automated washer, but there is no dryer to this washing machine. As this is a dry review, I am not going to wash the clothes and show you, but I will make another video for you of cleaning clothes. So for three reasons I have called this as bachelor's budget washing machine. Let us see what are those reasons. The first reason is its cost. It is basically available at a cost of 5,000 rupees in Snapdeal, Flipkart and Amazon websites, but if you can buy it during discount sale, you can grab a discount of 10% on this product. So you will get this washing machine at the price of 4,500 rupees only. So it is economically very apt for bachelors. It is the first reason. The second reason is the maintenance. It is it is nearly free of maintenance because the product is made of plastic, and there is no, that whole body is made of plastic fiber, so there is no problem of rust, or there is no problem, like there is no need to clean any part. It is of zero maintenance. The only thing we need to do is just connect the pipe to the tap. On the tap, just fill the water in the washing machine, put the cloths, and just switch on the button. That's it, our work is done. After the completion of the set time, the timer will stop automatically. So after that, we can put the first knob in drying. The water will be drying. We just need to take the cloth and put it on the rope for drying. That's it. So it is of very easy to use, and there is of no maintenance, zero maintenance. So it is the second reason. And third reason is its shiftability. As I have said, the body is basically made of plastic. It is very easy. It is very easy to move. It is very easy to lift. So you can shift it from one room to other room very easily. As we know, due to socio and economical reasons, bachelors are the one more vulnerable for room shiftings. So it is very easy for us during room shifting to carry it. It need not to have more number of people to carry it. It is very easy to carry. So it is my third reason. So due to these three reasons, it's a thumbs up from my side to this Onida Lilliput 6.5 kg washing machine. So it is, I can say it is definitely a value for money. So if you are planning to buy a washing machine, please consider this Onida Lilliput 6.5. It will not, I can say it will not disappoint you in any ways. And thank you for watching my review patiently.